Today, I'm gonna do a Cheetos review, and I have other chips too. I have like Doritos, Fritos, that's it. So, here's what they look like. And I have never eaten Cheetos before. Seriously, I did not choose before. But now let's give it a try. It smells cheesy. It's called Cheetos. And I realized there was a flaming hot version, the extra hot version, and jalapeno version, everything like that. But I'm going to try this first. So now it's 1 minute and I haven't tried it, so it's not that yellow in real life. It's pretty orange. This is what it really looks like. And let's give it a try. Basically it tastes just like what I expected it to taste, but cheesy, and that's good. Kind of like cheese ball flavor. Tastes like a cheese ball, but it's like actually a chip version. And like this cheetah, you're holding a Cheeto. I rate these 10 out of 10, and they're good. And look at my hands; they're already cheesy. Just lick them off, but it's really good. If you have it, you should basically try it because it is very good. And there's plenty more treats. I'm not gonna waste food. I'm gonna eat all of it, but I will see you in the next video. If you enjoy my videos, click that subscribe button, and you will receive notifications for the next video. So we're setting a goal for like 10 subscribers, and so let's just end the video here. And yes, I have a stack of pillows over here, kind of like a fort, but yeah, let's just end the video. See you fans later. Bye.